guys. Mag-i-impake na ako, guys. Iiwan ko na tong husband ko. Because I have to. Wala kasi siyang time para sa akin. Palagi na lang siyang nagtratrabaho. Wala na siyang time para sa akin, guys. I'm so tired na. It's just lang, guys. Pupunta kami ng Scotland this weekend, and today is Thursday, and we will set off to Scotland this Friday morning, and that's why I am here packing our things up, preparing all the things that we're gonna take to Scotland, and yun. Joke lang, guys. Okay, joke lang. So, ito yung dadalhin namin, guys. Ito yung mga damit na dadalhin namin. At ito yung luggage na gagamitin namin for this weekend. Malaki yung luggage na dadalhin namin, guys. Kahit short stay lang. Wala kasi kaming maliit na luggage. And, actually, I will just iron them as well. Para naman hindi siya masyadong wrinkly. Siguro naman, guys, alam niyo na kung anong gagawin ko. Mag-a-iron tayo today for tomorrow's event. Oh, I'm so excited to go to Scotland. Because it's my first time to go to Scotland. I've never been to Scotland. So, yes, I hope the weather will be good tomorrow. He's getting ready, guys. He's crazy about his car. Sobrang ganda ng panahon today, guys. And guys, I bought a wind muff filter. I bought this from AB, and I think it cost me like £8, and for this little guy it's a little bit pricey. I bought this because we are going to Scotland, so I was thinking it should help to filter the wind. So we will try it out right now because medyo mahangin dito sa labas, and yun, ilalagay na natin to. I hope that there is a difference having this wind muff filter. Kasi kung hindi, it's a waste of money lang. £8 din. Magkano yan sa peso? I'm not good in math. So, I hope. So, ito yung strawberries ko, guys. I hope we will have a good strawberries. Wala pa namang potato. Yuck, there's a lot of midget in there. Oop. My battery is flashing now. Oh my God! My battery is flashing! So, tatanggalin ko na tong wind muff, and let's see if there is a difference. Ito na. Natanggal na siya. Pupunta tayo sa pond. Ito yung pond namin dito, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo. This is our pond. Just a little pond. Ah, bird. Nagutom si Akits, so kakain muna tayo ng dinner. Kasi si Sir John is nandito na si Sir John. Scaredy cat. So I have a noodles for dinner and also an egg.
Which you didn't eat yesterday.
Which I didn't eat yesterday. So I will reheat it first and I will just give it a little bit of water. Why you don't like brown bread?
It's too healthy.
I did make a milk jelly earlier. It's set!
What would you expect? It's got gelatin.
It's set! Look, it's set!
It's got gelatin in it.
Look, me!
I've seen it. I shook it.
Oh, it's a success! Ah, yes! I will have a pudding then, a milk jelly pudding and with ice cream with it. Yes! Yum, yum, yum!
Ice cream, huh?
Yes!
So you want some of my ice cream?
Kakain muna tayo guys and afterwards magpapacking tayo sa dadalhin namin sa Scotland. John will sort his dresses, not dresses. John will sort his clothes because he's too fussy about it if I prepared his clothes, so let him do it himself.
This is great. Can't wait.
And I will just prepare mine. Ang init. If you heard a background noise, that's John eating his sandwich.
It's the carrot muncher on YouTube that you keep watching.
I like that. Ang sarap ng kanton. The jelly is not set, guys, so we cannot have it for...
The jelly belly is not set.
So we will just have Toby Crisp.
There used to be an advert, right?
His
There
favorite.
used to be an advert years ago on TV.
Yeah.
And it was for Toffee Crisp. And they used to be, you know what a seance is, don't you?
What's he on?
You know, communicating with the spirit. You sit around a table and...
Why do you call it seance?
It's called a seance. Seance. Okay, right.
We have different names.
Okay, well it's fine anyway. Right, so they're all sat around this table, yeah. And with this, they've got this light here, like a lampshade over the table, and it's sort of all dark behind them, just this one light. And then there you go, some woman who's leading the seance said, "Is there anybody out there? Can you hear me?" And next minute, a Toffee Crisp wrapper comes floating down.
Right.
And goes, someone somewhere is having a Toffee Crisp.
Ah, dear. So, ang mga dadalhin ko tomorrow is 2 dresses and 7 tops, 3 shorts, and 2 jeans. And also for the footwear, I'm gonna take this with me. Heels and flats. Yun lang siguro ang dadalhin ko, guys. Ay, of course, bra at panty. Hindi dapat yan kalimutan. Yeah. Nandito na yung pinakamamahal kong bana, oh. Yung asawa ko, nandito na.
What?
You really need to speak or learn to speak Tagalog, John. I said, you really need to learn to speak Tagalog.
I can't, but you speak Bisaya.
I speak Tagalog. I do speak Tagalog, isn't it?
Oh, you're just going to talk back to me.
Okay, come on. You need to do a grocery haul, babe.
I don't.
Come on, please. Just show them what you got. Please.
Sausage. What do you mean?
Please. What you got? Show them what you got. Come on, show them what you got.
Bread.
Yes.
Cow juice.
Milk.
Banana.
Your favorite?
Jiffy orange. Snack.
What is that?
Eccles cake.
Explain them what is Eccles cake.
It's pasty with currants. Nickel pies.
Right. Speak properly. And what more? What more do you have?
That's it.
That's it.
Oh. Special dairy leaf.
Ah, my dairy leaf.
See, that's it.
You did not get peaches?
What peaches wasn't on the list?
There is on the list. This man, guys.
There's no
He always says, make a list so I don't forget. But even though I make a list, nakakalimutan pa din niya.
Let's check the list.
This man.
Where's the list? It was in here. Here's the list.
Ewan ko sa'yo, eh.
Right, it says, quite clearly says, orange or peach.
And peach.
Oh, and I thought you
And peach.
Orange, okay.
So, this vlog, guys, makikita nyo to when we are in Scotland or probably pauwi na kami sa Scotland. Kasi I will put them into skid video and then hindi na ako mag-worry kung kailan or dapat ko i-upload yung videos ko kasi wala kasi akong laptop. We only got PC and I don't have laptop and I am really saving for that na magkaroon ako ng laptop. So hopefully magkaroon ako ng laptop. But I need to work hard for that. Hindi pinupulot yung pera. Alright guys, that's it for me today. I will see you in my next vlog and bye!